A supply truck journey through the scenic mountain pass. A sudden landslide cuts off the path.
Emergency alert. A rock slide has cut off the supply route to the camp, activating emergency beacons. Big Wheels team, deploy immediately. Yes, sir.
The rescue team awakens.
All clear. Time for some heavy lifting. Excavator, clear those boulders and dig a drainage channel now.
The excavator clears the path. Muddy water flows away through the new trench.
Bulldozer, push the remaining mud to create a firm working lane.
The bulldozer clears a path. The dump truck prepares to haul.
Dump truck, take that waste to the recycling bay. Keep the lane clear.
The bridge support begins to fail.
Stop! Scanning structural damage. I am calculating a repair plan. Cement mixer, we need a quick setting foundation at these coordinates. Cheer in.
All set for the new foundation.
Crane truck, lift the replacement panel. Steady now.
The panel is lifted into place.
Lower it slowly. 3 inches to the left. Perfect.
The bridge is repaired.
Bulldozer, fill the bridge gaps with gravel. Road roller, you are up next.
Gravel fills the gaps.
Road roller, compress the surface until it is smooth and safe.
The surface is compacted.
Safety indicators are turning green. The bridge is holding. At supply truck, you are cleared to cross. Proceed with caution.
The truck begins its crossing. The truck crosses safely. The supplies arrive at last.
Food, water, and science kits delivered. Great work, team.
The team rests.
Every machine played its part. Teamwork solved the puzzle. Construction vehicles really do understand project management.
The bridge stands firm.